Okay, so for this video, we are going to perform simple math na arithmetic on a single na array as well as a multiple na array. So suppose we have an array x, and this x has a value 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, and 3. As you can see here, we are adding a scalar value to x as well as multiplying a scalar value to x, multiplying x by itself, and dividing x by 2. So in Python or in NumPy, the operation is being done element-wise or position-wise. So for instance, each of the element of the array x will be added by 2. Similarly, each element of x will also be multiplied by 2. And for this, each element of x is multiplied by itself at the same na position then. So for example, 0 is multiplied by 0, the 1 is multiplied by 1. So each of the element is multiplied by itself. Okay, and also we can perform division on x, and in here the x is being divided by a scalar value na 2. So initially, if x is an integer na type, after dividing by 2, it is being converted into float. Okay, now let's try to run it. Yes. Okay. And as you can see here, we try to divide x by itself, but it is giving you a runtime warning because we are dividing a 0 with a 0, which gives you a none, right? And you can also perform math operations on multiple na arrays. In here, we have a given 2 na arrays, A and B. A has elements 0, 1, and 2, while B has 3 elements of 4. Okay, and we tried to perform addition, multiplication, and also getting the exponent on these two arrays. Similarly, adding these two arrays A and B, the result will be the sum of each na element per index. Okay, so for instance, 0 is added to 4, 1 is added to 4. On the second, on the first na column 1, and on the second na column, 2 is being added to 4, which results to 6. So that is similar for A times B as well as A raised to the power of B. Okay, and I can show this to you with this. And in Python, you can also use NumPy or NP through the use of import NumPy as NP. So as I have said in the previous video, you can import the NumPy as NP or also import other packages. Okay, in order for us to easily use functions for vectors and matrices. So let's try to create an array from 0 to 10 of type float and store it to y. So we can use an arange for that, and we can just put the range. Okay, so since this is mathematically, it does not include the highest range or the max range. So the result is only from 0 to 10. Okay, so the counting will start from 0 until 10. Now, let's try to access and set na array elements. So the X earlier has this element 0, 1, 2, 3.